Hi, good morning. This is Austin with Trusted Pool and Spa. If you built a pool with us or on an OmniLogic system by Hayward, you're more than likely going to get a notification at some point saying that the system will need an upgrade. So what I'm going to do today is show you how to do the two different ways of upgrading the system. So the first way of doing this is the wireless way. If your internet strength is strong, typically Hayward requires over a 60% or more signal strength to do this. You should be able to upgrade it wirelessly. The way we would do that is you want to click this power button on the bottom left corner of the screen. You want to hit service mode. This will allow you to edit the system. You want to click yes. It'll load up service mode. From here, you want to scroll down using the arrow on the bottom right. There's a button here that says upgrade. You want to click this. There's two options here. So you want to click the upgrade from internet. If your signal strength isn't strong, it's going to give you a hard time here. But if it is, you would click here. It'll load you to the next menu. Sometimes this takes a second. It'll show you your current version here, and then it shows you the one that's available. You always want to go to the most available version. So you want to select the one there, and then click the check mark. And then from here, you're ready to upgrade. So if your signal strength is strong, this will load up to 100%, and then you'll be okay, ready to go. And if you have some trouble with your signal strength, a little bit weaker of a connection, you might want to do it the other way, which I'll show you now. So the other option is a manual installation via USB stick. We're still in service mode here, as you can see. On the bottom of the Omni panel, there's two openings. There's one for an Ethernet for internet, and then there's one for a USB for data entry and upgrades. So you want to take your USB stick here. You want to find the bottom port and then plug it in. Once it's plugged in, you're ready to proceed with the second option of upgrading. So we're back service mode. You want to click the arrow on the bottom right. Go ahead and click the upgrade button again. Now the upgrade from USB is lit up. You're able to select it now. You're going to want to click here. From here, you're going to want to find what you're upgrading. Typically, it's going to be your Omni, which is 5.04 right now, but it's asking for 5.1. So we'll click here, press the check mark. Now it brings you to your hard drive, or to the files on the USB. So from here, I have a file called Hayward Upgrades. We'll attach a link in the description for the website you download the upgrades from. I have the 5.1 upgrade here, and then I click the check mark. And then from here, it's a very similar menu to where we were at the internet, but now it's just loading it from this hard drive. So the current version is 5.04. The new version is 5.1. In the future, this may be 5.1, the old version, and the new version may be a new 5 point something. At this point, if you're ready to upgrade, you go ahead and press this check mark. What you'll notice is it's going to start loading up the percentages and uploading the new software to your Omni. And once this reaches 100%, you'll be able to press the check mark, restart the system, and then remove the USB once it kicks back on. And then if it ever needs an upgrade again, this is one of the ways to do it. Perfect. So now that it's done, success, ready to use, you can go ahead and click this check mark. And what this is going to do is restart the system. MSP is restarting and exiting service mode. So what you'll notice is the panel will go out, and then it'll reset, turn back on, and from there you are good to go. So that is how you do an upgrade on the Hayward OmniLogic system. If you like this video or had any more questions about your pool system, feel free to leave us a like or a comment down below. You could also reach out to our service email, which is service@trustedpool.com. The email will be included in the comments as well. Thank you very much for watching again, and see you next time.